Hey folks, so in today's video we're going to be talking about the Pomona Deluxe Electronic DMM Test Lead Kit, model 5674C. Let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Alright, so let's unvelcro it, roll it out, and as you can see there are 4 storage sections that holds a variety of different accessories for your digital multimeter. Let's take a look at the first section. Velcro Lock here. Comes with a standard set of banana plug test leads. Straight banana plugs to right angle banana plugs. Next, we have 2 sets of grabber leads here. And if we take a look at the first one, we have the mini pincers. Taking a look at the second one, we have mini grabbers. And as you can see, it's a hook. Taking a look at the second storage section, you have 3 different sets of probes. First, you have these standard modular probes for 4mm test leads that are included in the set. These are 2mm probe tips. And then second, you have this probe tip adapter that extends the length of your probe tip and gives you that finer point with the 1mm probe tip. Great for hard to reach places. Third, you have these IC adapters. Yeah, the IC probe tip adapters allow for easy access to leads of through-hole ICs. In the third section, you get these bigger grabbers, pincer grabbers. These maxi grabber pincers are also great for those hard to reach places whenever you need to get access to high voltage test points. In the final storage section, we have a couple more adapters. We have these alligator clips, medium-sized alligator clips, insulated, and these would plug into your test leads that were included. And there are these probe cap adapters which go onto the modular probes that were included. Adding these to the modular probes allows you to take measurements in Cat 3 type of environments. These accessories provide a great way to increase the functionality of your digital multimeter. DMM kits in general simplify your choices and deliver good value by offering you various accessories that may not be included with your digital multimeter. And because these are modular test lead accessories, they provide a convenient way of attaching a variety of different clips, hooks, and grabbers, and many other attachments, and allow you to make those various type of test lead configurations. So again, this is the Pomona Deluxe Electronic DMM Test Lead Kit, model 5674C. I've included a link to the product page in the description below, but for more information, please visit us on our website at pomonaelectronics.com. Thank you everybody for watching, and have a great day.